In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up on ElevenLabs video. By the end, you'll have a new ElevenLabs account created and you'll be on your dashboard, ready to start using the service. First, open your web browser and go to elevenlabs.io. Type the address carefully into the address bar and press Enter. Wait for the home page to load completely so all the buttons are visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click Sign Up. This opens the account creation options. Now choose how you want to create your account. If you want to use your Google account, click Continue with Google, select your Google profile in the pop-up, and follow the prompts to grant access. If you prefer to use an email address, enter your email in the field provided on the page and continue to the next screen. So both options create an ElevenLabs account. Pick the one you're most comfortable with. If you're signing up with email, create a password when prompted. Type a strong password that you can remember. Watch for any on-screen requirements like minimum length or character types, and make sure your password meets them to avoid errors. When you're done, confirm the password. If there's a second field, then click the button to continue. If you used Google, you won't need to create a password right now, so you can move forward as soon as Google returns you to the site. Verify your email address if required. If the site asks you to verify, switch to your email inbox in a new tab or window, open the message from ElevenLabs, and click the verification link inside. If you don't see the email after a minute, check your spam or junk folder. Once you click the link, wait for the confirmation page to load. If a browser tab opens to confirm verification, return to the original ElevenLabs tab. Your account will now be verified and you can proceed. Complete any additional setup steps. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and provide any requested information. Read any messages or notices so you know exactly what's being asked, and use the Continue or Save buttons to move forward. If you see optional fields, you can skip them for now and come back later from your account settings. Take a moment to confirm each page has finished saving before you continue to the next one. You'll be redirected to your dashboard once the setup is finished. If the dashboard doesn't appear immediately, click any button that says Go to Dashboard or Continue to Dashboard. On this screen, you should see your account area with navigation menus and panels specific to ElevenLabs. That confirms you're signed in and your new ElevenLabs account is active. At this point, the sign up on ElevenLabs is complete. You successfully created your account, verified it if needed, finished the on-screen setup, and arrived at your dashboard where you can start exploring features right away. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.